Hey y'all, I'm Osiris Stevenson. This is a web accessibility audit for NBA.com. Love basketball, but let's get into this quick audit here. We're going to focus on homepage and the standings page that it has. I'm using the standings page as a subpage. I looked at how the site holds up against WCAG 2.1 AA standards. Anyhow, let's get into what works and what does not. Right, so key accessibility issues here. So we had some big gaps. Missing alt text, weak contrast, and empty links and buttons. Navigation is cluttered. The text is small. ARI is used, right? But it's not used well. And the standings page, heavy on abbreviations, light on structure. So that is the key accessibility issues. Now we're looking at the recommendations here. Okay, so we add alt text to the logos and the carousels. I think that works. We fix the heading order. We define ARIA rules right. We label the stat terms clearly, okay? And then we clean up the table markup so screen readers can actually follow it, all right? I think it's really important to point out about improving the screen reader flow on the tables, and I'll get more into that. So the screen reader insight here. Okay, so the voiceover in Safari was just messy. It jumped mid-navigation to random images. So for example, it said image with no context and then misread term abbreviations. This then made the whole flow disjointed. Okay, I think it was meaning to just kind of keep going in the basic navigation, but then it jumps down to an image of the Toronto Raptors and calls it image. Anyway, final note here, NBA.com looks polished, but under the hood, it's inconsistent. Fixing markup, labels, and structure would make a real difference for accessibility. Thank you.